All right, so I'm going to mark the starting position of my cup. Then I'm going to roll the marble into the cup. I'm going to see where it moved. And now I'm going to take that distance and I'm going to measure it with my ruler. And that is about 11.7. So for 2 books, I'm going to have 11.7 centimeters for my first trial. Then I'm going to reset. This time, I have about 10.9 centimeters. This time, I have about 11.2 centimeters. Then, I'm going to add a book and do a stack of 3 books. I'm going to reset my ramp. I'm going to replace my cup. I'm going to measure, and my distance is about 14.3. Okay, I'll reset again. Oops. This time, it's at about 15. Oop. This time, I'm at about 14.2. Then I'll add a 4th book. I see I have about 17.7. about 19.2. About 17.6. All right, so now you're going to take those numbers and find the average for each different height that we tested.